Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Ex1 Invisible Wear Foundation. I personally have mine in the shade 4, and yeah, I've had this for 2 weeks, and I bought it off the site called Look Fantastic, which was a really good site. I had no problems from them. This product retailed on their site $18, although I'm sure you could find it for like $15 somewhere else. I paid $9.99 for shipping, so that way I could get track shipping and within the days that I wanted it to. It shipped fairly fast, so like I said, no complaints there. So I'm going to kind of read off their website, give you a little bit of information about Ex1 cosmetics, as well as this foundation. So literally the first thing that is on the website as soon as you click on is a cult following of major celebrities for its precision, matching, and skin-on-skin effect, which I kind of do feel like. I feel like it's pretty close to skin feeling, or like if you just had really plump, nice skin. And that was by Glamour magazine. The Vogue Beauty Award for 2018 is Best New Kid on the Block, although this has actually been around for a while. And like the main place they say it's available is in Boots, because I believe this is a UK brand. Yeah, and they offer concealers, this foundation, a powder, blush, another mineral foundation, and another type of concealer. But I do want to read about this company because I do think it's really interesting. So this was created, according to the website, by a makeup lover and biochemist named, I apologize in advance, Faha Naz, right? We're just going to skip over the fact that I can't say that. So it went on to talk about how she personally was struggling to find stuff that wasn't orange or pink. I have the exact same problem. And so she created Ex1 to be a unique blend of yellow, golden undertones that are designed to, according to them, be seamless blend onto your skin. And there's like a quote from her again about the yellow gold. However, what I really think is interesting is that they have so many not gold or yellow or whatever. That's cool, but olive is so hard to find, and they have some decent amount of shades. So their like biggest number for shades is 14. However, there's one extra shade, like there's a 3.5, where everything else is 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So there's like 15 shades. There still could be a lot of work to this. I would say the majority is about medium skin toned. Like I said, I'm a 4, and it goes up to a 14, which online does seem somewhat deep enough for some people, but I know that there's going to be a lot of people that doesn't fit for, which is sad. So the find your shade aspect of this, you can go on to their site, click find my shade, and it'll walk you through what each shade is. So I did this myself, and I was like, well, I'm pale. So like shade 1 is pale with very yellow undertones. Shade 2 is pale with, certain undertones. And I used that plus the pictures, which were really helpful because it was very minimalistic makeup on these women. And it was very close up, so you could really see kind of what their undertones were, which definitely helped. I feel like this is one of the only foundations I have that actually matches me, which is very exciting. So they also say this is a lightweight, luminous liquid base, which I would say it's very lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. I very rarely ever actually feel it on my skin. I think it's more of a demi-matte finish, personally. You can obviously add more luminosity to it with like primers and highlights and things like that, but I think it is a demi-matte, especially on my dry skin. It's not luminous. But other than that, I do really like it. Like I said, it's the foundation of my heart right now. It is allegedly paraben-free, clinically and I don't like the way they put that. Dermatologically tested. I have to, oh, I hate that word. 100% oil-free and fragrance-free, non-comedogenic. And it's supposed to perfectly match your natural skin tone, easy to apply, seamless finish. And then it says matches more closely to your skin tone than any other product on the market, and buildable yet breathable. I do agree with buildable yet breathable to a certain extent. I don't think you're ever going to get full coverage, but I do think you can get somewhat medium coverage on it. And yeah, so hopefully I can find a way to insert me applying this to show you. I tried it on one half with my Clarisonic and one half with this Sonia Kashuk stippling brush. I prefer the stippling brush, but if not, I apologize. I did put it on at 10:14, 10:30, so yeah, I'll come back at the end of the day, talk to you guys about it, what I think about it, and yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm out in the sun. Just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like out here. Honestly, I've noticed no like cracking or anything like that, or any dry spots personally, but yeah, it's one something and it's still looking good, so I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so it's about like 10 o'clock at night, and my foundation lasted a pretty good amount of time. It didn't really break up anywhere, it just kind of faded overall pretty evenly. So yeah, like I said at the beginning of this video, I really do like how this foundation wears and how liquidy it is. I mean, it's not super liquidy. I did look on their website because I was interested. This brand is actually cruelty-free, so if that's really important to you, this would be a foundation that could work for you. And yeah, guys, I think that's really it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.